Hello everyone. Today, we'll understand and learn how to use the split screen gesture on the Nothing CMF Phone 1. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Ensure gesture navigation is enabled from the home screen. You first need to ensure that your phone is in gesture navigation mode. Here's how to verify. Open Settings on your phone, navigate to System, and then select the Gestures section. Under Navigation Mode, choose Gesture Navigation. Once you've enabled gesture navigation, return to your home screen. Step 2. Open Apps for split screen. Now, let's set up the split screen feature. For this example, I'll use Airbnb to book a hotel for my next travel plan and Skyscanner to book my flight. From the home screen, open Airbnb and Skyscanner. After opening both apps, return to the home screen by swiping up. Step 3. Activating split screen. To enable split screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the recent apps view. Locate Airbnb or any app you want as the first app in split screen. Tap and hold the app icon at the top of the app's preview from the drop-down menu. Select split screen. The Airbnb app will now appear at the top or side, depending on orientation of your screen. Next, from the remaining apps in the recent apps view, select Skyscanner. Tap its app icon. Both apps will now be displayed on your screen simultaneously. Step 4. Adjusting the split ratio. You can customize the split ratio. Drag the divider bar between the two apps to adjust the screen space allocated to each app. For instance, if you want Airbnb to take up more space, slide the bar downward. Conversely, if you need more space for Skyscanner, slide the bar upward. Step 5. Exiting split screen mode. To exit split screen mode, alternatively, swipe up from the bottom and hold to go back to the recent apps view, where you can close all apps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the split screen gesture on the Nothing CMF Phone 1. This feature is incredibly handy for multitasking and boosting productivity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.